How many people use their keys when they open up stuff? I always use my keys. So let's say this. Ah, from St. Jude. Thank you for all the love and support of St. Jude. Happy holidays from our friends at St. Jude. See that? Ah, I love that. It's from St. Jude. Happy holidays from Southern Baked. See that? Very nice. Ooh, something very squishy and soft in here. What is this? Look at that. I don't know what it is. Can this be food? Oh, this is probably the lunch that they said they were gonna give me. Hold on. I don't know. That can't be like a shirt or anything. That has to be food. Something very squishy and stuff. Oh, it's an ice pack. Ah. Hey, Zion! Zion! Ouch. Oh, woohoo! Dry ice. Jesus. Yo!
Are you good?
Yeah, there's dry ice. Look at this stuff. This is what was keeping the stuff frozen. Dry ice. This stuff burns. Never touch dry ice.
Dad, what the heck?
Dry ice.
Are you good?
Yeah. Dry ice. I touched it. It almost burned my fingers.
Yeah, that's what it does.
Jesus
Dry
Christ.
ice.
But look at this. We got a Southern baked pie. See this? Why are you looking like that?
Because you scared the mess out of me.
Cause my fingers are burning. Read that.
Rick, thank you for all your love and support from St. Jude's. Happy holidays, St. Jude friends.
Yes.
That's not a Southern baked pie.
What? Oh, it's cinnamon rolls.
Southern baked with cinnamon rolls.
I'm gonna open this. Mmm.
Go ahead, pop those in the oven.
Delicioso. Some cinnamon rolls.
Go ahead.
Cinnamon rolls. St. Jude, thank you so much for this. These will be eaten with love and care. I promise you.
All I need.
All by Zion. Yum, yum.